Here's how to freeze rhubarb so that you can enjoy it all year long. Basically, you bring in your rhubarb from outside after cutting off the tops and the bottoms. Give them a good wash and then be sure to pat them dry. You don't want any surface moisture because moisture leads to ice crystals, which speeds up freezer burns. So we don't want that. So our pieces are nice and dry. Now you get to decide what size pieces you want to freeze your rhubarb as. If you're making stewed rhubarb and pies and cobblers and crisps, then that rhubarb will cook down and you can use bigger pieces, 1/2 inch to 1 inch in size. If you're making muffins and loaves, I usually prefer smaller pieces, so I go 1/2 inch or smaller when I freeze those pieces. The choice is yours. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop my rhubarb. Now the way I like to do it, because the ends are kind of straggly, I take the whole pile, cut them in half, and then I have a nice edge to start from. If there are any really big stalks that I think I want to cut in half, I go ahead and do that first. Line them up and away I go. Once your pieces are all chopped, pour them onto a baking sheet or a serving tray, something where you can spread out your rhubarb pieces and flash freeze them. Now, in our home kitchen, flash freezing means that we freeze the individual pieces so that we have free-flowing rhubarb pieces when we're ready to take them out of the freezer. So basically, we're going to pop this tray into the freezer for about 2 hours until the pieces are frozen solid, and then we transfer them into a freezer bag. Here I have my frozen rhubarb from the freezer ready to transfer to a freezer bag. There you go. Now I'm going to seal as tight as I can around the straw and then suck out the air and seal it while pulling out the straw. So this is the hardest maneuver of freezing rhubarb. There we go. That's as close as I'm going to get to vacuum seal today. And the idea is the more air we remove, the more moisture we remove, the better, longer lasting our frozen rhubarb will be. Make sure you label it, give it the year that you packed it. This rhubarb will be safe indefinitely as long as it stays frozen. You will start to notice some ice crystals forming and maybe freezer burn after about 12 months. So it's best to use your rhubarb within a year. And there you go, free flowing frozen rhubarb.